Every jar of pineapple jam begins here, under the first light of morning.
Only the finest pineapples move forward in the journey to premium jam. Every pineapple batch is recorded before it leaves the farm.
Harvested pineapples, exquisite pineapples now prepare for transport.
Protection ensures freshness for pineapple jam production.
The journey from farm to factory begins.
Continuous cultivation feeds the pineapple jam supply chain.
Sweetness determines the quality of premium pineapple jam.
Uniform sizing prepares pineapples for industrial processing. Clean fruit preserves the integrity of pineapple jam. Traceability defines modern pineapple jam production. Final approval sends the pineapples forward.
Fresh pineapples move steadily toward transformation. Next stop, where pineapples become premium jam.
Fresh pineapples move closer to the pineapple jam facility.
Every mile preserves the sweetness inside each pineapple.
The pineapples enter the industrial corridor.
Verification ensures controlled pineapple jam intake.
The pineapple jam production chain continues inside. Arrival at the pineapple jam receiving zone. Position for pineapple jam intake. Fresh pineapples are revealed for processing.
Every pineapple batch is rechecked before entry.
The pineapples begin their controlled transfer. From transport to transformation. Inside, the pineapple jam process awaits. Preparation meets precision.
Now the transformation of pineapples into premium jam truly begins. Fresh pineapples enter the controlled heart of pineapple jam production. This is where pineapples become premium jam. The pineapple jam process begins with controlled feeding. Movement inside the pineapple jam plant is continuous. Outside, the pineapple jam facility operates with precision. Airflow systems regulate pineapple jam production environments.
Inside, every pineapple moves toward refinement.
Strict hygiene protects every batch of pineapple jam.
Technology oversees each pineapple's journey.
Preparation for deep cleaning begins.
Every pineapple must be purified before transformation.
Balance defines premium pineapple jam production.
The first stage of cleansing begins. Clean fruit sets the foundation for premium pineapple jam.
Freshly washed pineapples move deeper into pineapple jam preparation.
Surface moisture is removed to protect pineapple jam quality.
Only the best pineapples continue toward premium jam.
Uniform sizing ensures consistent pineapple jam texture.
Preparation brings pineapples closer to transformation.
Nothing in pineapple jam production goes to waste. The golden core of pineapple jam is revealed.
Separation ensures purity for pineapple jam processing. Precision trimming refines pineapple jam quality. The core is removed to perfect the pineapple jam texture. Only smooth flesh advances toward pineapple jam creation.
Final cleansing protects pineapple jam purity.
The transformation into pulp is about to begin.
The structure of pineapple breaks down for premium jam. Solid pineapple begins its transformation into jam pulp. The heart of pineapple jam is now liquid.
Filtration refines the smoothness of premium pineapple jam.
Pineapple pulp moves under controlled pressure.
Balance begins inside the pineapple jam mixer.
Sweetness is carefully calibrated.
Structure gives pineapple jam its signature body.
Heat prepares pineapple jam for full transformation.
Now the pineapple jam truly begins to cook.
Heat and motion shape the final pineapple jam texture.
Precision controls preserve flavor and consistency.
Thickness defines premium pineapple jam quality.
Controlled agitation ensures even cooking.
Reduction concentrates the true flavor of pineapple jam.
As moisture escapes, pineapple jam reaches its concentrated form.
The pineapple jam is ready for finishing.
From kettle to controlled holding.
Temperature stability preserves pineapple jam quality.
Uniform texture defines premium pineapple jam. Silky consistency signals perfect processing. Air removal enhances shelf stability.
Final refinement prepares pineapple jam for packaging.
The transformation nears completion. Precision filling systems take control.
Alignment ensures accurate pineapple jam filling.
Measured precision fills every jar of pineapple jam. Consistency defines premium pineapple jam. The pineapple jam is now ready to be sealed. Automation positions every lid with precision.
Each pineapple jam jar is sealed under controlled pressure.
Every seal is measured for reliability. Smart systems protect pineapple jam quality. Imperfections are removed instantly.
A secure seal preserves freshness.
Brand identity meets automation.
Cooling stabilizes the pineapple jam structure.
Each jar receives its pineapple jam signature. Traceability ensures pineapple jam accountability.
High-speed automation increases efficiency.
Packaging secures pineapple jam for distribution. Heat locks the pineapple jam packs in place.
Now complete, the pineapple jam moves toward final approval. Every pineapple jam pack is verified for exact weight.
Safety systems protect pineapple jam integrity.
Shipping cartons take shape for pineapple jam distribution.
Precision packing secures pineapple jam for transit.
Protection surrounds every pineapple jam case.
Secure sealing ensures pineapple jam stability.
Traceability follows every pineapple jam shipment.
Orders build steadily for pineapple jam distribution.
Automation organizes pineapple jam for shipment.
Structural stability protects pineapple jam in transit.
Wrapping secures the pineapple jam shipment. Each pineapple jam pallet is locked for safety.
Identification completes pineapple jam preparation. The pineapple jam is ready for final inspection and storage.
Before release, every pineapple jam batch faces inspection. Random sampling ensures pineapple jam consistency.
Appearance reflects pineapple jam precision.
Accuracy defines premium pineapple jam.
Seal integrity protects pineapple jam freshness. Controlled cooling ensures safe pineapple jam storage.
Sweetness levels confirm pineapple jam formulation.
Balanced acidity secures pineapple jam preservation. Microbiological checks safeguard every pineapple jam jar.
Texture analysis ensures uniform pineapple jam quality.
Flavor remains the final signature of pineapple jam.
Approval clears pineapple jam for distribution.
Certified pineapple jam is ready to ship. From inspection to inventory, pineapple jam awaits dispatch. Approved pineapple jam enters controlled storage.
Every pineapple jam pallet is digitally tracked.
Stable conditions protect pineapple jam quality.
Orders trigger the final movement of pineapple jam.
The pineapple jam prepares to leave the facility. Dispatch begins for premium pineapple jam. Each pineapple jam pallet is secured for transit. Safety ensures pineapple jam arrives intact.
The pineapple jam is ready for delivery.
From factory floor to global markets. The journey of pineapple jam continues beyond these walls.
And this is how modern factories produce pineapple jam from start to finish.
Precision, safety, and quality define every jar of pineapple jam. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.